Okay, in this video, I'm going to walk you through installing and configuring TextWrangler, which is a text editor that we're going to be using in this course if you're using Mac OS X. If you're using Windows, the program that you'll want to use there is called Notepad+, and it's the video for that is over in the resources section. So only follow this video if you're using a Mac. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your App Store. Then, in the search box over here, upper right, just type in TextWrangler, all one word. Now, I've already installed it, so what I see is a little button here that says Open, but in your case, it'll say Get. Now, TextWrangler is free. They'll try to upsell you to purchase the full program called BB Edit. You do not need that. Now, if you're going to be doing a bunch of development in other programming languages, and it's something you're interested in, by all means, buy it if you want to, but it's not necessary for this course. Click Get App, the application will install, and then click to Open, and that'll launch it for you. In my case, I've already had that launched, so I closed out of it, and I'm going to go ahead and launch it here. And what I'll see is that I'll have a new document that'll show up. I'm just going to type in a couple of quick things. And all I'm doing is I'm just typing in, setting up a basic web page so I can make sure that it is configured and we'll set properly. Now, what you'll see when you first install and open TextWrangler is that your fonts aren't going to be as big as mine, and that's okay. I enlarged them on purpose so you would be able to see it easier on your screen. Having one of those nights where I can't seem to type. You ever have that happen to you? Happens to me sometimes. All I'm doing is I'm just typing in some sample paragraphs and all that. Don't worry about what I'm typing in here too much. I just wanted to make sure that it's working. Now, I'm going to go up to File up at the very top, and I'm going to say Save. I'm going to find a place on my computer where I want to save this. In my case, I have iCloud set up, so I can get to my files from anywhere. So I click on iCloud Drive. Now I have created, and under Text Edit, but it can be anywhere, a folder called Web Page Development. And I'm going to go ahead and save this one as, I'm going to say sample page 2 or something. It doesn't really matter. Now, if I have my doc type and all that set up, TextWrangler is automatically going to know to save this as a .html file. That's why it's important to make sure you have that put in when you save your files. For this purposes of this demo, you don't need to know any of this stuff yet other than you need to install TextWrangler, but I'm just walking you through the basic process of opening up TextWrangler, creating an HTML file, and saving it. You may need this walkthrough later for if you need it. Once you're done, click the Save button, which is right here. That is going to save the file, and then to open your file, all you need to do is open up your web browser, click Open File, go to where your file is located, and then open it. And that's it. That's all it takes to get TextWrangler going. Now, TextWrangler can do a lot of different things. I mean, all kinds of crazy stuff if we needed it to. But in this case, for this specific course, since we're just learning all the basic concepts, there really isn't a whole lot to it. If you have any questions on setting up TextWrangler, go ahead and send me an email, and I'll get right back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.